Have you ever stepped out onto your porch or patio around Christmas time, looked around and thought, I wish this space could sparkle with the same magic I remember from years gone by? Maybe you dream of twinkling lights, cozy corners, and festive touches, but without the heavy lifting, the high prices, or hours of complicated decorating. Well, my friend, you're in for a treat today, because I'm about to share genius Dollar Tree hacks that will transform your porch or patio into a warm, glowing Christmas wonderland. And here's the best part. You won't need to break the bank or wear yourself out. These ideas are senior-friendly, budget-friendly, and oh so doable for anyone, no matter your energy level or experience. And please, promise me you'll stay with me all the way to the end, because the 10th idea is one I'm certain you'll want to try this season. It might just be the easiest and most heartwarming porch hack you've ever seen. Welcome to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. I can't tell you how grateful I am that you've chosen to spend this time with me today. You're about to discover simple, wonderful ideas that will make your porch or patio not just festive but joyful and easy to care for. And before we dive in, I'd love to ask a small favor. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and hit subscribe. It really helps YouTube recommend these tips to more senior gardeners and decorators in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world who could use a little holiday cheer on their porch this season. Hack 1. Festive Dollar Tree Doormat Layering. Now, you know how the very first thing anyone notices when they step up to your porch is the doormat? Well, this little hack makes it look instantly festive without costing more than a few dollars. Here's what you do. Pick up one of those simple core mats or seasonal doormats from Dollar Tree. They've got holiday patterns that are surprisingly cute. Then place it right on top of a plain rug or a larger mat you already own. That layering effect gives your porch a cozy, put-together feel, almost like you've hired a decorator. And here's a bonus tip: if you want your mat to last all season without fading, give it a light spray with clear sealant. It keeps the colors bright and protects it from the weather. See how easy that was? No fuss, no heavy lifting, just instant Christmas charm right under your feet. Hack 2. Lighted garland railings. Now let's bring a little twinkle to your porch railings. This is such a simple trick, and it makes your whole space feel magical in the evenings. All you'll need are a few of those green garlands from Dollar Tree. They come plain, but that's perfect because we're going to dress them up. Take a strand of battery-operated fairy lights, also from Dollar Tree, and gently wrap them around the garland. Then drape or wrap that garland along your porch railing, your patio chairs, or even around the doorway. The best part? It looks like something straight out of a holiday movie, but it's so easy to put up and take down. And if your porch railing is a little older, let's be honest, some of ours have seen better days. This trick will make it sparkle like new. No ladders, no heavy wires, just a soft glow that welcomes you and your guests every evening. Hack 3. Cozy Dollar Tree Blanket Basket. Now, let's add a little warmth to your porch with this next hack. It's all about coziness. Picture this: a simple basket filled with soft, festive blankets, waiting for you, your grandkids, or a neighbor to grab on a chilly evening. Here's what you do. Head to Dollar Tree and pick up one of their lightweight fleece throws. They always have holiday prints, snowflakes, reindeer, you name it. Fold a few of those and tuck them neatly into a weatherproof basket or even a storage bin you already have. Place that basket near your porch seating, and suddenly your outdoor space feels like a cozy Christmas nook. It's welcoming, it's practical, and it gives everyone a reason to linger just a little longer, even when the air is crisp. And here's a little bonus tip: if you want to make it extra special, roll each blanket and tie it with a red ribbon. It'll look like a basket full of Christmas gifts just waiting to be opened. Hack 4. Lantern Glow with Dollar Tree Frames. Alright. Now this next one is one of my favorites, because it gives you that warm holiday lantern glow without the heavy price tag or the worry of real candles. Here's how it works. Grab 4 Dollar Tree picture frames. Yes, picture frames. Glue them together to form a cube, almost like a little box. Pop in a flameless candle, also from Dollar Tree, and you've got yourself a homemade lantern. Place a couple of these on your porch steps, near the doorway, or even at the corners of your patio. The glow is so soft and welcoming, and the best part? No cords, no fire risk, and no heavy glass to move around. It's an easy project that takes maybe 10 minutes, but it looks like something you'd buy at a boutique store for $20 or more. And friends, I can tell you, when the sun goes down and those little lanterns flicker to life, your porch is going to feel like pure holiday magic. Hack 5. Festive Planter Magic. Now, let's give those summer planters a brand new life for Christmas. Instead of leaving them empty or dragging them into storage, we can turn them into cheerful holiday displays. Here's what you do. Fill your planter with pine cones, a few Dollar Tree ornaments, and maybe even some of their faux poinsettias. Tuck in a little ribbon or a sprig of greenery and suddenly that tired old planter looks like it's dressed up for the holidays. And here's a bonus idea: if you happen to have real pine cones lying around from your yard or a walk, spray them lightly with cinnamon-scented spray. Every time you walk past your porch, you'll catch that nostalgic holiday fragrance. The beauty of this hack is that it works with whatever you have: big planter, small pot, doesn't matter. It's about making use of what's already there and giving it a festive twist. So instead of a bare corner on your porch, you now have a little holiday arrangement that feels warm, welcoming, and oh so Christmassy. Hack 6: Wreaths with a twist. Nothing says Christmas quite like a wreath, right? But here's the fun part. You don't need to spend a fortune to have one that looks beautiful on your porch. At Dollar Tree, you can find wire wreath frames, ribbons, and plenty of ornaments. All you have to do is wrap the ribbon around the frame, tuck in a few sprigs of greenery or small ornaments, and in just a few minutes, you've created your very own custom wreath. The best part? It's lightweight and super easy to hang. Even if your grip isn't what it used to be, this project is quick, simple, and very forgiving. And if the ribbon isn't perfectly even, don't worry, that little bit of homemade charm is what makes it special. You can hang it right on your door, or even place smaller ones on porch windows or railings. It's a festive touch that says, "Welcome, Christmas is here," without costing more than a couple of dollars. Hack 7: Porch Chair Holiday Pillows. Now let's make those porch's chairs look as cozy and festive as the rest of your space. And don't worry, this doesn't mean buying all new cushions. Here's the trick: Dollar Tree has seasonal pillow covers in fun Christmas prints. All you need to do is slip them right over the pillows or cushions you already have. That's it. No sewing, no stuffing, no bulky storage when the season is over. When the holidays are done, just take the covers off, fold them, and tuck them away in a drawer until next year. Simple, tidy, and very affordable. And here's a bonus idea: if you don't have porch pillows, no problem. Pick up a couple of Dollar Tree cushion inserts, slide on the holiday covers, and pop them on your chairs. Suddenly, your porch seating feels festive, comfortable, and ready for hot cocoa moments. Hack 8: Candy Cane Walkway. This next hack is all about creating that magical holiday welcome as soon as someone steps onto your porch, and it's so simple, I think you're going to love it. At Dollar Tree, you can find those plastic candy cane decorations. Some even come solar-powered if you're lucky. All you do is line them along your porch steps, walkway, or patio path. Just stick them into the ground or secure them in planters, and suddenly you have a cheerful little holiday path lighting the way. It's charming, it's affordable, and it makes every visitor feel like they're walking into a Christmas wonderland. And here's the best part: no sugar rush from these candy canes, just plenty of festive cheer. If you really want to add an extra sparkle, weave a strand of battery-powered lights between them. It ties everything together beautifully, and you'll smile every time you see it glowing at night. Hack 9: Porch Rail Stockings. Now here's a fun one that adds a playful, nostalgic touch to your porch: hanging stockings along the railings. All you need are a few lightweight stockings from Dollar Tree. Clip them to your porch railing using clothespins or little clips, and then fill them with faux greenery, pine cones, or even shiny ornaments. It looks so cheerful, and it's a wonderful way to bring that classic stockings by the fire feeling outside onto your porch. If you're in a wetter or snowier area, I suggest using weather-resistant stockings or just bringing them in on very rainy days. But even if you only hang them out when guests are visiting, they'll make a charming impression. This hack is especially fun if you have grandkids. They'll love spotting their own special stocking waiting on the porch even before they step inside. Hack 10: Dollar Tree Christmas Porch Tree. Alright, my friends, we've made it all the way to hack number 10, and I promise this one is worth the wait. Imagine having your very own little Christmas tree right on your porch, welcoming you home every time you step outside, and guess what? You can make it completely with Dollar Tree finds. Here's how: pick up one of those small artificial trees they sell. On their own, they look a little bare, but here's the magic trick: grab a Dollar Tree bucket or basket, place the tree inside, and fill the base with rocks or even canned goods to weigh it down. Then wrap the bucket with holiday fabric, ribbon, or even one of those festive Dollar Tree gift bags. Next, decorate your tree with mini ornaments, bows, or candy canes, all from Dollar Tree. Add a small battery-operated light strand, and suddenly you've got yourself a glowing little porch tree. The beauty of this hack is that it works no matter how small your space is. Even if you only have a tiny corner of your porch, this tree brings all the joy of Christmas right to your doorstep. It's affordable, it's lightweight, and it's absolutely heartwarming. And there you have it, my friends. 10 genius Dollar Tree hacks to transform your porch or patio into a cozy, magical Christmas wonderland. We started with that welcoming doormat, moved into garlands and glowing lanterns, added cozy blankets, cheerful pillows, wreaths, festive planters, candy cane walkways, stockings on the railings, and finally our little porch Christmas tree to seal it all with holiday cheer. Now remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about joy, creativity, and bringing just a little sparkle into your everyday space. Each of these ideas is affordable, easy to do, and most importantly doable no matter your age, energy, or experience. I truly hope today's video has inspired you to add some magic to your porch this Christmas season, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Or maybe you have your own favorite porch decorating tip, share it with us. This community grows stronger when we learn from each other. And if you enjoyed spending this time together, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. It helps YouTube share these ideas with more senior gardeners and decorators in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world who could use a little holiday sparkle this season. Before I go, let me just say, you are capable, creative, and appreciated. Your porch doesn't have to be grand or perfect to be beautiful. All it needs is a touch of your heart. So go ahead, try one of these hacks, sip something warm, and let your porch remind you, and everyone who visits, what a joyful season this can be. Until next time, my dear friends, thank you for being here. Stay cozy, stay creative, and may your holidays be filled with light and love.